Hello, welcome to another Cycle Tech Review unboxing. Today we've got something from Ekoi, the French online clothing company. If you ride on the continent, you're probably very much aware of Ekoi. If you're a UK or US rider, probably not so much. They sponsor quite a few pro teams out there, so you might see them if you watch road racing or even mountain bikes on the TV. They sponsor a lot of riders. They've been going since the early 2000s. They started off with a couple of stores and then they grew their online business. Now they're online only. They do some really nice stuff. We've reviewed their clothing before and some of their helmets. Today we've got a new helmet from them. It's the Stradale, I think that's how you pronounce it, Stradale. Anyway, it's the Stradale, that's what I'm calling it. It's kind of like one of their top end helmets. It'll cost you around, at the moment on their website, it's 176. Ekoi are quite good actually. If you keep an eye on their websites, they have some really good sales and discounts. And quite often you can get stuff at an amazing price. So it's really worth going on their website and having a look. They also do a lot of customization, as in you can sort of choose colours and get your name on there or little flags or something like that. So they can do little nice touches for like some glasses, shoes and helmets. They can do that, which is quite nice. This new helmet Stradale, let's get inside and have a look. It's unusually, a lot of helmets now you'll see being designed for being super lightweight or super aero. This is actually designed to be a bit more safer and give you more protection. So there's the helmet, and then inside I've got a nice little carry case and some spare padding. Also, which is quite nice, I don't know if you can see, but you've got some little foam packaging in there to stop your helmet rattling around while it's in transit, which is quite good. Let's put that away on the floor. Okay, let's take a look at the little accessories that come with. First of all, you've got a nice soft, that's really nice actually, Ekoi products designed for performance with pro athletes. Yeah, because like I say, they do work with a lot of pro cycling teams like Samsic, the Israel team, Lotto Destiny, or not Lotto Destiny anymore, and quite a few others actually that I can't remember off the top of my head. But that's a nice cloth. That's nice actually. Nice little storage bag to keep your helmet safely in. They've also got two other sets of padding. The black one is a lot thinner than this grey one, so I presume it's going to allow you to customise the fit. The Stradale comes in 3 sizes. I've gone for a medium. I think if I remember correctly, my head circumference was just over 50, well, almost 59, 58, 59 centimetres. And this is a I'm just going to check if it is a medium. I can't remember what I ordered now. I will put something on the site. But anyway, what we were talking about. Yes, what makes this a bit unusual is it's got Koroyd inserts in it. Koroyd are little, it's basically sort of like a crash impact absorbing system. So they've taken lots of little cylindrical tubes, welded them together in like a honeycomb. And when you crash, the idea is that they crush and absorb the impact. So for this helmet, they particularly, and they've got I think 5 zones have this impact Koroyd material in, and the design it looks pretty much like an old-fashioned leather hairnet helmet, or what we used to call a hairnet. You know, the old-fashioned in the sort of 40s, 50s, even 60s and 70s, used to have these sort of thin leather strips that would, I mean, they had no protective value other than holding your brain together or your head together after a crash. But they are very popular in the sort of 60s and 70s. So you've got this Koroyd impact protection system inside. I can't really show it to you. On a lot of other helmets, they use a bright green insert, but on this one it's actually black, so it blends in quite well. But I quite like the look of the helmet. I'll put some. We've got a preview up, so you can have a closer look at how. But that's how it looks in real life. It's got a nice gloss white finish at the top, and then this matte black that wraps all the way around underneath the helmet, so that protects it when you put it down. You're not denting the foam inside. It's standard foam otherwise. It's got a top buckle at the back to tune the fit. A red, so this feels like just, yes, compared to the other two, this is definitely like a medium fit. And then what I quite like about their buckles, let's see if they can, yeah, they got these magnetic buckles, so they just click together and then you sort of slide them apart, so they're really easy to get on and off, but they still won't come pinging off. Let's see if we can model it for you. Now I would say that's with a medium padding. Let me get down in the shot. What do you reckon? That's a medium, and like I said, I've got a 58, almost 59 centimetre circumference head. I mean, there's plenty of room in the back there. I mean, could I go a size up? What do you reckon? It's always difficult. It's personal taste, isn't it? These side straps here, they look pretty easy to adjust. You've got a little, yeah, you've got a little pull open there, and then you can, yeah, that looks really easy to adjust. Some helmets, the adjustment on the side requires a degree in geometry to work it out, but this looks quite straightforward. No sort of hit. No, I quite like to have a little mesh on the inside just to stop, you know, when you get a wasp or a fly. Well, you're always convinced it's a wasp, but it never is. Just a fly that flies in, has a little rest inside. So I quite like that. This doesn't have that. It's got the little green for Koroyd there, and also a label at the back there. Some nice big vents there at the back. You've got 6 at the back here, and then the helmet is very open. So in the summer, I imagine you're going to get quite a nice bit of airflow through there. The Ekoi do say that when the air is flowing across this on the side here, where you've got these Koroyd tubes sticking out, you get like what's it in physics? Is it Venturi, where if you blow fast moving air across, it kind of creates almost like a suction to pull air out. Yeah, so that should be a nice looking helmet. I'll put weights and other sizes and things in there just to let you see. But that is a very nice helmet. We're going to do a review on them to see how it's like to actually ride in. How well, I don't think we'll be having any heat at the moment as we're still in February, but I'll let you know what it's like to ride with, whether the medium. Can I find the let's have a look, see if we can actually find where it's, oh yeah, it is a size medium. Oh, that's another thing, that's quite nice. I like the red with the white logo in there. That looks quite nice actually. And it's a medium, and yeah, so I'll let you know if the medium does feel right actually out on the road. And also it's that weird thing, I don't like massive helmets, but also you don't want to look like you've got a little peanut perched on top of your head. So thanks for looking at it, guys. A review will be up soon. The preview is up at the moment, but I'll put a review up in a few weeks once I've had a chance to get using it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.